Everything we do online, every trip to the GP, every purchase we make, leaves a trace and says something about who we are. Our digital footprints are fueling new information economies and reshaping our online experience. But this same data could also be used for research and innovation to solve major societal challenges. A new suite of technologies known as privacy-enhancing technologies, or PETs, allow scientists to answer questions using data that is too sensitive or valuable to share. Through the use of a new generation of encryption and powerful forms of computing, PETs enable researchers to gain insight from this data without needing to access it. It also provides a secure mechanism for public and private research collaborations. The Royal Society's new report, From Privacy to Partnership, explains how these technologies work and illustrates use cases that could bring substantial public benefit, such as to health research, disaster response, and tackling online harms. PETs are just part of the solution, and as set out in this report, there is a need for robust safeguards and standards to be put in place. However, if used responsibly, PETs can enable new partnerships, new collaborations, and new discoveries. Find out more and download the report at royalsociety.org.